Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking about day trading. More specifically, we're talking about gap trading and how gap trading is by far the single most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you're going to find across the market today. In this video, I'm going to show you an example of one of our morning gap trades from this morning that were given out to members at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the opening bell even rang. Before we do that, let's explain what gap trading really is. As day traders, we need stocks to be moving. When stocks are moving, it creates opportunity. And the opportunity for day traders is when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open, we can identify a specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction. This is all part and parcel to my gap trading strategy that's taught in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. Traders learn which stocks this works the best with. What are the criteria that we use? What type of volume are we looking for? And a whole host of other things, but more importantly, how do we calculate the specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to and then have that price reaction from in the other direction? On the chart, you're looking at one of the examples from today, Snap. SNAP. Before we go over this one in detail, first I want to show you the email that goes out to subscribers at 9 o'clock a.m., 30 minutes before the opening bell even rings. Here's a copy of the exact email, and you can see it arrived at the inbox at 9:03 a.m. So this morning on the board, we had 6 potential gap trades that were viable opportunity within the specific criteria we were looking for. Out of this 6, only 1 hit its level so far today, and 1 we really got screwed on because it came up just short and had a tremendous rally off the level. That was L Brands. We'll take a look at that one in a minute. You can see here the price level given out to members was $49.05. The price came up just short and then had a very nice bounce just short of that level that would have given us a tremendous rally and a tremendous gain off that level. Didn't hit price. We'll take a look at it anyway. But the one that did hit its level today was Snap, S-N-A-P. Gap lower. Support levels are $14.27, and then I gave 2 secondary levels if the stock was to trade lower. Stop and profit target is about 15 to 30 cents. These are minimum profit targets. We only want to trade the stocks that come into the specific levels that we're taught how to calculate in the course at Lazy Gap Trader. These are the high probability trades. These are the ones we want. When a price does not come in to the specific level that we calculate, we don't want it. It's a no trade. It's off the board. We're back on the chart of Snap, and as you can see yesterday, the stock closed all the way up at $15.30. The stock was getting a haircut at the open, trading lower right out of the gate, and you can see our identified level at $14.27 came into play right about 10:40 in the morning. Most of these gap trades take place within the first 60 to 90 minutes of the trading day. So let's take a look at what happened. The stock opened lower, traded lower, and as you can see, came into our price making a low of what? $14.27, spot on the button, and then just minutes later, the stock was already at a high of $14.57, representing the 30 cents identified in the email that went out to traders 30 minutes before the opening bell even rang. These are scalp trades, and sometimes these do turn into day trades. And in my course, I teach traders how to take advantage of the ones that actually run a lot farther and faster than we can realize by turning some of these trades into risk-free, emotionless trades. Because let's face it, sometimes we end up with a minimum profit target, and sometimes we end up with multiple dollar gains out of these stocks by nailing the low of the day and having them run fast, high, wide, and deep. So there's a whole video module in the course that teaches us how to take some of the profit along the way and then turn these trades into risk-free, emotionless trades. Now, snap may run higher for the rest of the day, but this particular trade, at least for me, was over. I got 27 cents out of the trade, and on a scalp trade, almost a 2% gain is a fantastic gain on a trade like this. The most important thing traders realize in my course is the why behind these trades. The why behind why this gap trading strategy works. Once traders understand the why, they have a certain level of expectation and understanding what normally does happen and what normally should happen at these price levels. There is a why behind why these stocks trade to certain levels and have price reactions from certain levels. Once traders understand the why, it gives them an added confidence when taking these trades. It takes much of the guesswork out of these day trades, out of these scalp trades. If you want to learn everything there is to know about trading the gaps successfully, come over at lazygaptrader.com. You can learn everything there is to know on how to trade the gap successfully. Traders, this is a strategy that you can use each and every day for the rest of your trading career. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.